Hi and hello friends, welcome to my channel friends. Okay, Tubeless tire repair kit from deodap. Deodap discount code in description box and product link also in description box if you want use it. And okay, review Tubeless tire repair kit, just 50 rupees from deodap website. One rasp tool. This is the rasp tool. Quality good. Okay. Then nose split eye insert needling. Okay, after some 3 repair strings, they only provide 3 repair strings. Here the quality. Okay, then one cement paste rubber solution. Okay, that's it all. Product link in description and deodap coupon code in description also if you want use it and get some rewards. For more updates, subscribe now and more free discount codes and coupon codes videos in my channel if you want watch it.